Berries or something?
Okay, this is the weirdest thing. This bird came into our camp, and I've been close enough to reach out and grab him, and he's just not scared of us at all. Well, he might be scared of Kathy.
Well, I don't have any makeup on.
Oh, yeah, she doesn't have any makeup on, but this bird, I mean, check this out.
Can it fly? Do you think its wings broken?
Well, he flew in here. Look at that. That is just crazy. Oh, you're faking him out. You don't have any food for him. Where's that cracker he came in here and ate last night while we were sleeping? What?
Like a kind of berry. He's looking for berries or something.
Maybe he's in his mind. He's saying, "Are you my mommy?"
Oh, how sad.
Remember that book?
Yes, I do.
Are you my mommy? Okay. Later.